Hello, I'm back for yet another software demo for FARO's BuildIT construction. This is Brady O'Brien, and today I will be showing you a quick way to analyze structural beams and make sure they are located correctly and installed according to plan. Some of the benefits of this, coming from the construction industry and from a general contractor, is it's a responsibility to make sure the building gets installed and erected according to the plans and specifications. So by laser scanning the beams or structure and overlaying them in the model with survey control, you can quickly see if the beams are positioned correctly. To perform this task, one thing you'll want to do is to auto-associate the beams to the points around those beams. This will associate any point around the beams for a quick and easy analysis once you get to that step. So select the auto-associate command. Select the point cloud. Now in your Manager tab, select the beams. And then click Apply. This will hide the points that are not relevant to this analysis. The next step is to perform a surface deviation analysis. Now that you associated the points to the beam, this step is almost automatic now. Select the beams in your Manager, and now the points around those beams will automatically be selected as well. Use the spyglass to preview your results, and once you are happy, select Apply. Thanks again for checking out FARO's BuildIT construction software demo for beam positioning. This is Brady O'Brien, and check out more BuildIT construction demos online.